Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about are you using correct wireless security standards or not. We are using wireless devices everywhere, whether that's in our home, in our office, in a market, everywhere we are using our wireless devices. Okay, and if we are not using the proper security standards, then definitely we are leaving so much space for hackers those can perform attacks on our wireless devices. Okay, so what I will discuss about today wireless security standards, and if you will not are using a proper secure system, then definitely attack happen on your system. And let's see how. There are the wireless security standards to provide the authentication to connect with the correct wireless access point. Okay, so if we are using the weak security system, which is wired equivalent privacy. Okay, if this is just a very basic security systems which provide authentication to connect with the access point in a very insecure way if your access point is using it. And if you are using Wi-Fi protected access, okay, and version 2 and 3 is also available. In 2018 this Wi-Fi Alliance they introduced version 3, which is highly secure and advanced all of them. Okay, for example, if you are using this standard WEP, then how the attack can happen, or if you are using weak standard, then see here. There are a number of tools available on internet which you can use to perform wireless attack. Even the hackers are using it. Okay, even in Kali Linux there are multiple tools are available to perform an attack on wireless devices. Okay, they can steal the what are the passwords you are using, what are the SSID of your devices. Okay, what is the MAC address even your devices, what type of kind of packets are moving between you and the wireless device, how many devices are connected on that access points. So they just can identify a lot many things. Okay, there are the few of the best wireless hacking tools just used by even the hackers. Aircrack, NG, Fun, Wi-Fi Crackers, Kismet, Wi-Fi TE, Ghost, Fisher. These are the tools that are available in the Kali Linux even. And apart from these tools, there are number of tools available on internet hackers are using. Okay, say I'm just showing you the output that's collected of one of the tool that uses this Wi-Fi TE. Okay, and if you are using the less secure or WEP standards, then how easily they can find out the whatever the password to connect with that particular devices. Okay, for example, in Kali Linux that's start at that particular tools, and it analyze, yes, within that particular range which are the wireless devices. Okay, so this you can see here number 1 and number 6, these are using the security standard WEP. Okay, so here these are, for example, the target of the hacker, which they want to know what is the password they are using to connect the particular devices. Okay, so they just start to observe the packets just sending between the particular devices and the client, and they will just send some kind of de-authentication. So they will send kind of packet. So the device will broadcast the password, okay, and whatever they are, just here you can see hackers can like, let me just zoom it a little bit. So here is, after observing the packets what is passing through, they can observe, yes, this is the keys you are using or the password you are using to connect with the access point, and they can also connect with it, and they can observe what type of traffic is passing between you and that access point, and they can even perform the man in middle attack and another kind of attack they can perform, okay. And what things they can do, just you are aware of that when somebody is just accessing your data, they can see if you are using some financial websites making some transaction, they can also steal your financial details, okay. And if you are using the security appliances after the 2018 and supporting the WPA3 version, okay, so just you can select your version 3, okay. So here are one of the devices, it's just showing here this is supporting it, so just enable it. It's a much more secure to provide a security of your wireless devices, okay. And even if not supporting, for example, say this is the example of the D-Link, okay, and here are the security standards for version 2 till version 2 are available. So just select the advanced one, okay. For say you can say version 2 you can select, okay. And if you want to check whether which security system you are using or standard you are using for the wireless devices on your machine, then you can also click on the wireless card, and over there you will see the properties, and in the security sections you can find out the details which security standards you are using. Make sure you are using the advanced standard, okay. So the advanced encryption standard if we are using, it will be harder for the hackers to crack down the passwords or just to see the information when you are passing between the wireless access point, okay. And follow me on the Cybersecurity Prism and get the notification for the next interesting informative session. Share that session with your friends and the group members as well, so that they will be able to identify, yes, what security system for the wireless devices they are using on their devices, if they are not using the strong one, so that they will enable the strong wireless security standards on their devices, okay. In the next session I will demonstrate you how you can use data encryption standard. Namaste. See you in the next session.